This year, we're proudly celebrating Noregon's 30th anniversary.
This milestone is only possible because we have the most innovative and hardest working employees in the industry.
From changes in vehicle architecture
to EPA regulations
to the sensorization of trucks and equipment,
our team has always been dedicated to adapting and providing state-of-the-art solutions for our customers.
Our customers deliver the food we eat for dinner,
the supplies our military uses to keep us safe,
and the bounty of goods that helped us fight a pandemic.
Simply put, our customers keep the world running. That's why it's our duty to keep their business moving.
So whether it involves monitoring a truck with remote diagnostics,
servicing equipment in the field,
or following interactive maintenance guides, we know how critical it is
to have accurate and easy-to-use tools.
And that's what we're going to keep delivering for the next 30 years.
We'll continue to refine, innovate,
and listen to our customers.
We will help fleets keep the world's most important assets in operation.
And if they go down, we will ensure technicians
never lose the ability
to get them back to peak condition.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to all our customers and employees for an amazing 30 years.